Here's how to get the white outline around the body in Canva. First, if your image still has a background, you need to get rid of this before you can actually apply a white outline to it. So to do that, simply left click on your image, then go to Edit here on top, and then on the left side, click on BG Remover. Once the background of your image is successfully removed, to add a white outline to it, here where it says Effects, click on Shadows. Then click on Outline right here. We can now add a white line around the body by clicking here on the color square, and there when we click on it, we can change the color to white. And just like that, we added a white line, or let's say outline, around the body. You can then use the size fader right here to reduce the thickness of the line if desired. Also, you can use the intensity fader right here to make it look less dramatic. And that's it, guys. This is how you get a white outline around the body in Canva. In case you're on Canva free and couldn't remove the background for free within Canva, then make sure to watch the next video on this channel where I will actually tell you where you can remove the background of your image completely for free and in a matter of seconds. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials.